everyone. My name is Dania Fatima. I am studying in grade 5. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This is my pleasure to deliver a welcome speech on this day. As you know, today is the most important day in history. Today, we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of India. India became independent on 15th August 1947 from a cruel British rule. This independence we got was a result of a lot of sacrifices and struggles of our great freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. On this day, national flag is hoisted on every public places we can celebrate this day by singing patriotic songs, perform cultural activities and sharing sweets. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely the day is not too far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dania Fatima. I am studying in grade 5. Today I am going to say few lines about my Bharat. जय भारत जननी अनुजाति जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी बगल नाड़ी जय हे रस ऋषि बलवीरे जय भारत जननी अनुजाति जय हे कर्नाटक माते जननी जोगुल वेद घोष जननी के जीवन मिलना वेश जय भारत जननी अनुजाते. Thank you.